Hello, Builder. Welcome to the URL Shortener tool. This tool allows you to shorten any URL and also cookie the link so that you will be able to get paid commissions if a sale was made. I am Jackie de Klerk, your success coach, and I want to show you how the tool works and what I mean with a cookied link. So right here on this page is the URL Shortener dashboard. We're going to click on Create Short URL, and we're going to use Builderall as an example, and we're going to paste in the URL for Builderall. And you can see there's already a link right there in that area. We're just going to click on save. And now you can see it is shortened to this bunch of numbers. Now, normally under normal circumstances, especially if you're an affiliate, you normally get very long URLs. And this is really beneficial if you are going to shorten it this way. So what happens now is if you go and you copy that and you're going to click it at the top, you're going to see right now that the URL is there, but it's going to change to builderall.com because it's been redirected. But also it has been cookied now onto this page. So if somebody is making a purchase in Builderall in this specific case, they will get the commission for that. And that is how the cookied linked area work. Now we're going to see if I refresh my page. At the moment, you can see we've got 0 clicks, but I'm going to refresh. I'm just going to say, okay, got it. And you're going to see that we've got 1 click, somebody that actually accessed that page. Now, if you go to the report area and you click on it and you've got multiple links, this is the area where you're going to get real important information to see if your campaigns and things are working. You can see right here, it shows the time and as well how many clicks happened at that specific time. This is crucial because over time it's going to populate and there's going to be a lot of information right here to tell you when your leads or the people that are clicking on your links are most active. So you can see, you can scroll down and you will get a good bird's eye view of what is happening to that specific link. If I go back to the dashboard area and I'm just going to say, okay, there, you can edit the link. You can view it like we did just now. That's the report. This is to copy the link. And if you're not going to make use of it anymore, you can go and just click on the delete link. And then you also have other options as to start all over again. And that is basically all there is to this tool. You know now how to start using this URL shortener tool. And I'll see you next time, Builder. Bye.